Now, we need to get the lower and the upper out. Once we get that out, we're halfway complete with the disassembly, sort of, but not really, because we still got to separate the hub from the knuckle. So let's get the ball joints out. I mean, you can't even see here. Look at this. It's just so rusted. Where are we? You can't even see that that's, it almost looks like this is part of the casting and this is part of the ball joint. Like, this is going to be a nightmare to get out, really. I can see it coming already. Let me put you guys over here where you can enjoy some of the comic relief. We'll get you on the upper ball joint right there, and we'll get set up, and then we'll go to town on this one. All right, so I got a big cup on here so that the ball joint can slide into it. I got a short guy here that hopefully gives me enough height to pop it free. I couldn't get a socket on up here because it's just too tall. So I'm going to try with a box end wrench and another wrench and see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get enough leverage. Just don't have enough leverage to pull this thing. Just no leverage whatsoever. By hitting it will pop. It's not gonna pop. Alright, I'm gonna have to try to find a socket that'll fit on there. Alright, so the problem I'm having, even with a shorty, is that I just don't have the clearance up here. So I got the little big dummy lifting the front end of the car up and down. Alright, lift so I can get it off. So I guess in the future, when you jack it up, I have my jack stands on the trailing arms, and we want to tighten, right? We want to tighten this way. So I have, go ahead, lift, Steve-O. Oh, that's not going to work.
What?
Because now it's all the way up there. I can't get at it. All right, lift. So I have it sitting at like ride height. So I guess if you were hanging it, so put the jack stands under the body or the chassis rails, truly on chassis rails, and you can get a little more oomph out of it that way, I guess. Let's see, give me a little lift, Steve-O. All right, so I'm here, which really isn't giving me enough. That's not great. Man, this thing just doesn't want to budge. Oh, there we go. Woo! You get that pop, that's good news.
Or is it? Is it able to sell?
Yeah, you got, oh no, I got it off. All right. Woo. What I did do before we just gave it that extra was I did heat up the knuckle, because heat always helps. Now, we got the, ooh, that's still a little warm. We got it to pop. That doesn't mean it's going to come right out. Let's take a look and see. Popped out that much. I don't think that's gonna come out very easily. No, let's try it with a little hammer here. Don't look like it's coming.
Problem is that the piece you're hitting moves.
Yeah, it's got a little like place to it. Let's stick one of these. Stick that in. That don't fit. that. That don't fit. Not like that. That don't fit. Alright, none of that stuff works. We're gonna go back to this. Probably now we know for next time. Just keep going with it. Once you hear the pop. You know, keep pushing, I guess.
Yeah.
So.
Loosening.
Yeah. Want to give it a little. No, it's not any. I was thinking of something in my head. You just gotta tell me to stop doing that sometimes. Oh, you see, yeah, I am thinking correctly. You see how right here, it's not gonna.
No, it's not gonna get in.
I think that's too big to go in the hole. This one's smaller. Might need to use like a little
What about a socket?
socket or something, yeah. See, I don't know if
Can you take that base off?
this, yeah.
What about the base itself? Just that? Other than like
No, I needed to
Yeah, it's too big.
pump it up like that. Well, that might work. Gives me a little more room. Another 1/4 of an inch or so. No, already bottomed out. I need a little. Gotta get a socket. Nah, he ain't gonna bring nothing in that guy. An old 13/16 socket. Alright, I can take this up. Steve-O, lift. Lift from the middle a little bit though, not so you're not on the rubber bumper. Or on the metal. Okay, good. Lift. Oh, you know what? I could probably do it with the wrench now. Because it's not so tight. There we go. Alright, now give me a lift. There we go. Another nice pop. Nope. Now you can lift. Lift. Okay. All right, I can't tell which lip here is the ball joint and which lip is the knuckle. So I'm gonna go really on the inside where I know that it's the ball joint. Oh no, but I don't want to be on the ball joint. Ah, shit. I want to be on the outside. Never mind. I set it up completely wrong. I'm a dummy. We're not pushing up, we're pushing it down.
Yeah.
So I gotta be right on the outside. All right, do over. Come on. I don't know. Go ahead, tighten. Turn the camera on?
Yeah.
That's kind of sloppy. I'm not sure I like the way that fits. That cup bending?
No.
No.
Got it.
All right, place your bets. You all right? Steve-O, what's on the outside?
Because if you look at the slope of it, the way it turns. And that stays there.
Did have like a double lip in it. Man, I couldn't tell whether this was spindle or ball joint. And that's, you know, if we had the replacement stuff with us, we would,
This on?
no, this is part of the axle.
Okay. Because I'd say you want to scrub this.
No, we're gonna scrub all this down, paint it. We're gonna do the shocks and the springs while we're in here. Muzzle. As Vice Grip Garage would say, muzzle. Your mother loves that, muzzle. And when I pulled down this steering stabilizer, when I pulled this tie rod down, the steering stabilizer leaked out all its hydraulic fluid, so we need a steering stabilizer. All right, well, that's one side. So we're not even halfway done, because once we get the other side apart, we're still not halfway done, because we still need to separate the hub from the knuckle. And you could see, Steve-O comes in here. I didn't even try to get these off. And look at this nut right here. This is supposed to be a 13 millimeter 12-point nut, and there is nothing left, and this is just rust. This is welcome to freaking New York. Let's salt and brine everything, because this is, how do you get this out? Come on. It's like a bad joke. So we're gonna get the other side apart off camera, because you don't need to see me struggle and fight again, but at least I have a little guidance of how to go that way, because we made our mistakes on this side. And then in the next video, we'll pick up getting these things separated apart, cleaned up, painted, and I don't know, and whatever's next. I'm a little frustrated, I'm a little hot and bothered now, and I'm gonna go and have something cold to drink. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Comments, concerns, rust issues. Did you have this problem like I did? Or did it just come out nice and easy, taking the bolts out, tap it with a hammer, it comes apart like every YouTube video I've seen? Nobody's had to do. I've never seen this. I've never seen a YouTube video with this, so here you go. All right, frustrated. Thanks for watching.